Hi folks, here we are back for another look at the Soaring Tortoise Electronics Angel's Breath 7-watt all-tube 2-channel electric guitar amplifier. In this video we're going to, I'm going to click it on here and let it warm up. We're going to be checking out its internal speakers. Now this used to be an old Caliphone AM and FM tube radio from 1960 or 1970. It's really hard to tell, but the speakers had a 0 code on them. And we are actually going to be testing these speakers from the original radio as a guitar amp. Now, they don't sound too bad at low volumes, but we're not going to crank it, and they're really more of a novelty. This amp is meant to be used as a head and played through a larger cab. And we're going to show you that in a later video through a 2x12 cab. So right now I'm just going to give you a little overview. We've got a 2-channel amp. We've got the input for the Super Tweed Fender Super style channel with volume, bass, and treble controls. And then we have an AC4 channel over here with an input for that here with volume, high cut, and tremolo controls. And then we have this central input that we are plugged into, and that allows us access to both channels. Now that funky shadow being cast across the front of the amp is from that guy, a cheapo condenser microphone, and we will be using the 1958 Electro Silvertone, the anti-PRS. It is plain, righteous, and simple, but it shares nothing else with that other brand other than the first letters of those words. I'm going to zoom in right here on the control panel so you can see me twiddle the knobs, and I'll give you a demonstration of how it sounds. We'll start with the Super channel, move on to the Vox channel, and then we'll mix them together. So again, this is kind of a low volume, and these speakers, they don't handle bass too well, so we'll keep that a little low too. For a little jazzier tone here. We'll put this in the middle. I just love this tweed cathode follower style tone stack. Show you the AC4 channel now. Again, it has a volume control here and tremolo, as you may now hear. I'm going to dial that out with the depth control here. Starters here, we have a high cut control. So we are essentially have no highs cut right now. the rate. If you make the little flying turtle fly forward, it goes faster. Go a little bit faster. If you make the flying turtle go backwards, you get slower. Here we are about in the middle of the dial. Let's say 89, 88 AM. This is amplitude modulation after all. Lowest speed. Oh, let me show you the depth first. It gets quite choppy if you want it. Show you that at a faster speed. Pretty cool when it's up here. And now let's go. Make that guy fly all the way backwards. Here we are at the lowest speeds. And of course you can dial that completely out. Dial up some tremolo here up to a nice friendly speed, and then I'm going to dial in the super channel now. So now we have both channels going at once because we are using the center input. Here we have the super input and the AC input to access them individually. Now again, we're using the internal speakers on the amp, which are a 5x7 and a funky closed back tweeter style device. Both of them are Alnico. Any louder than this, but it does sound pretty nice, don't you think? Thanks for watching, and check us out on the web, www.SoaringTortoiseElectronics.com. Bye, everybody.